everyone, welcome and welcome back. So today we are going to a wonderful place. So we will disclose the place later. Keep watching, we'll update you. See ya. Bye. Mummy, bye. We are traveling by public transport to the starting point of our hike. The distance to starting point of hike from home is about 23 to 24 kilometer. What's up?
Nothing.
The bus dropped us off at the starting point of our hike. From here we need to hike about 3 kilometer.
Hi guys, I am Arav Kutoch. I am 9 years old and it's my first hike to wonderful place. I am very thrilled for my first hike and I will share my experience with you at the end of the video.
On the way, I came across a majestic view and a captivating small hut. We are at our first stop. Resting, striding. यहाँ देखो ऊपर जाके मैगी का सपने देखते हुए चलते रहो. How would I know? These are the state trees of Himachal, the deodar trees, and this is our Mr. Golu. Walk. Good boy. It's just the beginning and we are really exhausted. I don't think it's the beginning. We are halfway. Golu ka touch? Golu ka touch?
When I almost arrived at the ultimate destination, I was completely exhausted and the weight of my legs felt like a dumbbell, and I wanted to fly back home like birds.
Reached at the top. Yay, finally we are at the ultimate arrival and the surreal view felt like fantasy. The place is lush and green everywhere. The high mountains and the sky seem to touch each other at the horizon.
ngacakan kerjala ngacakan kerjala kerja पिया जो मिंगा देमो kerja पिया जो मिंगा देमो ngacakan kerjala ngacakan kerjala होशिने मुजेरू गुरगुर केसंगोरी जेरू गुरगुर आज मला हिम्मत में ता जेरू गुरगुर डीना मजू रविने मा हिम्मत में ता जेरू गुरगुर डीना मजू la lagona angmo palje kalam kindo kam jakhe pachila nila sum jila ngala to yai chona dajidu yungi chona dojidu bujin pan mazang mola cha sungo yai chona dajidu yungi chona dojidu bujin pan mazang mola cha sungo mulai la lagona ammu falji se lekindo seccha ke pachila nila sum jila ngala tu yai chona dajidu yungi chona dojidu bhujan pan mazang mola cha sumbo yai chona dajidu yungi chona dojidu bhujan pan mazang mola cha sumbo mulai la lagona ammo palji kala kindo.
The picture in front of you is of the famous temple Bijli Mahadev. The famous Bijli Mahadev sacred temple is located at an elevation of 2460 meters in Kullu. The sacred place is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is named Bijli, meaning lighting, due to the legend that a divine lightning bolt shatters the Shiva lingam inside the temple every year. The lingam is then restored using butter and sattu, a mixture of roasted gram flour. Most of you have likely seen the Trishul in Lord Shiva's temple. Let's explore the significance of the Trishul. The Trishul represents the three fundamental aspects of existence: creation, preservation, and destruction. In Hindu mythology, the Trishul is a powerful weapon used by Lord Shiva to destroy evil and restore balance.
What would you like to have? Momos or
Maggie. No, I have never had. Okay, someday we'll try Kurkure momos, but not today. Living the best place with heart full of joy, blessings, and lots of memories to cherish forever. We are feeling so blessed. The hike was little tough, not that tough, but it was worth it after arriving at the destination. So I suggest to all the people who want to visit Himachal to visit Bijli Mahadev for a good hike and a best view. You can see it's wonderful. Oh my god, look at the background behind me. It's amazing. On my journey homeward, the stunning scenery unfolding before me left me stunned. With my camera in hand, I framed the breathtaking panorama that stretched out before my eyes. The landscape seemed to unfold endlessly, with majestic mountains towering in the distance and lush valleys spreading out beneath them. I have never witnessed such a captivating view before. It was a moment of pure amazement and wonder that I will always remember.
हाँ तो गाइस मैं दोबारा आ चुका हूँ। तो हम लोग पहले ऊपर गए थे और ऊपर जाना बहुत मुश्किल था और मेरे पैर बहुत डंबल जैसे लग रहे थे। मैंने आपको ये पहले भी बताया था। फिर अब हम लोग खाने के लिए रुके क्योंकि अब हम बहुत टायर्ड हो चुके हैं। तो बाय।
We are now at the food court after our exhausting hike. We needed to recharge before going home. This vibrant place serves food like Maggi, momos, dal and chawal. We ordered Maggi and momos. Everything about this place is worth cherishing forever. Visiting Bijli Mahadev is a unique blend of adventure, spirituality, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination in Himachal Pradesh. Enjoying our final moments with nature before heading back, this magical place truly feels like heaven on earth. Enjoying the moments with lush greenery, serene ambience, and breathtaking views. This place and its experience leaves us with cherished memories of a location that radiates tranquility and beauty. Young man. Young master.
क्या बोलते हैं ना, इस स्टोरी में एक नरेटर है ना, तो वो इसकी बात कर रहे हैं। तो वो 6 साल का था, तो उसने एक पिक्चर देखी बुक में, उस बुक का नाम था ट्रू स्टोरीज फ्रॉम नेचर। तो फिर वो बोआ कंस्ट्रक्टर इज द एक्ट ऑफ सॉइलिंग एन एनिमल का फोटो था ना, तो उसने एक कॉपी ड्राइंग की, उसके सेम जैसा बनाया। फिर उसने देखा कि उसने एक पूरे के पूरे उसको ट्यून, तो उसने पढ़ा कि बोआ जो है कंस्ट्रक्टर वो सॉलो करता है, वो उन्हें चबाता नहीं है। तो उसने एक ड्राइंग बनाई, तो क्या बोलते हैं ना, जब वो किसी चीज़ को खाता है फिर वो 6 मंथ तक सोता है डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए। समझ आ रहा है? फिर उसने एक ड्राइंग बनाई, बहुत सोच